So hello guys, what's up? This is Sameer and you are watching my channel Sameer Shah. In this video we are going to see how to install Windows XP on your computer running Windows 10 on a virtual machine. So let's get started without any delay. So first you need to download Oracle VirtualBox. So I will give the link down in the description box. So I will also make a separate video on how to download and install Oracle VM VirtualBox. So I have already downloaded Oracle VM VirtualBox on my PC and I already set up all the settings. So now let's start it. So here's my Windows. That's a spoiler for one more video. So click on new and give any name to your operating system. So Windows XP. So the ISO file is downloaded from Microsoft website. So it's Service Pack 3 and this is Windows XP. Service Pack 3 is of 32-bit. So type is Microsoft Windows, version is Windows XP 32-bit. Click next. Then the recommended memory size is 192 MB, which is a nice comfortable thing, but as I have 4 gigs of memory, I am thinking to give them a 1285 MB. Click on next, then create a virtual hard disk now. WDI VirtualBox disk image, next, dynamically allocated, and here you can choose how much gigabytes of storage will be given to the software, I mean the operating system. So the minimum GB is 10 GB. So I will give Windows XP 15 GB, perfect 15 GB. Then click on create. Now it has been created, and if we click start, it will load for some time.
5 minutes later.
But sure, it will start, but nothing will be displayed because you haven't chosen the disk file, I mean the ISO file. So you need to close it, and you can see over here in storage IDE secondary device. In here it is given optical drive empty. Click on it and choose a disk file. I'm clicking it. Wherever it is, just go to the destination and select it. So this is my file and I'm clicking on open. So now it has been given. Now click on start. It will load again, and this time it will surely start. Okay, so do not press F12, just wait. Here you guys can see Windows setup. Don't press F6, and you just need to leave. Everything will be done automatically by them. So in this step they are asking us to create a partition for our directory for the operating system. This is optional. If you don't want to create, you can just leave. Let me show you how to create. Here it is there, unpartitioned space. So here's the 15 gigs which I have given. Click on C and you can just add. So I don't really want to add, so I'm clicking escape to cancel and press the enter key to start installing. And here there is 4 options. Format the partition using the NTFS file system. Quick. Format the partition using the FAT file system. Quick. Format the partition using the NTFS file system. Format the partition using the FAT file system. So you have to go and select the first option, which is the format the partition using the NTFS file system. Quick, and give enter. So now it will start to format the partition which we have given for the Windows XP, and now it will start the installation of Windows XP. So now it is getting restarted. Don't press any key. Now it will start to restart, and now it is booting Microsoft Windows XP. So the process has not been completed yet, and you can see our cursor, and now it is decompressing all the files, and now it is loading. Now only it is installing the Windows on our PC. So now they are asking about the regional and language option. So select your area, regional and language, and then click next. Then they are asking to type our name. Let me give my name. Organization, I don't have any organization. Computer name. So now we got our computer name, which is my name, and some what code. Then administrator password, that is not to be said, and so confirm password, then click next, and it will ask about our time, and my time zone, date and time, everything are correct, so I'll give next. Now it will install, then it will continue the installing process. Now they are asking about whether this computer is work group or a member of a domain. So no, so they are asking to computer a member of the following work group. So we have to give any name, so I will give like Sam or something like that, and click next. It will load for some time, then it will continue its installation. Do not press any key. So finally the Windows XP has been installed on your PC successfully. So let's start its first boot and see how's its performance. It is kinda slow because in first boot everything would be slow. I am the one, the way your son don't need. So it is started loading. Please wait. To improve the appearance of visual elements, Windows will automatically adjust your screen resolution. Okay, you may. Okay. Windows XP is a nostalgia. For you guys, it could have asked you the product key, so I have given the product key. So welcome to Microsoft Windows. Thank you for purchasing Microsoft Windows XP. Let's click next. So no, I don't want anything. Checking your internet connectivity, skip it. Not at this time. you can even use your internet as a Ethernet connection in the virtual machine. So first name, your friend, and second user as anything you can give, and click next. So thank you, you're welcome. So now it is starting. I will give your friend and applying your personal settings. Welcome. When Windows XP was released, I was not born. And I was only born when Windows 7 come, so I haven't seen Windows XP. So this is my time seeing Windows XP for the first time. Wow, this is so cool. So that's the end of this video. So you guys have seen how to install Windows XP on virtual machine after a long years. So there will be also new video coming about Windows 11, about its features and everything. So make sure to like, share and subscribe to Shah. Thank you.